We're at 4902 Chad's Circle. This is in Pace, just south of Spencer Field. Walking into the front door, we are entering into our foyer. We have a coat closet to our left, living room in front of us, and kitchen to the right. We have carpeting throughout the majority of the main living areas and the bedrooms. We have one bedroom just off the living room here, so this is just next to the front door on the front side of the home. We have a good sized closet in each bedroom, and then we have a hall bath and then a master suite. Here's our living area. We have high ceilings and a wood burning fireplace, and then we have big windows looking into our backyard and our sunroom. Here is our formal dining area, and then here we have our kitchen. So we have bar top seating and then all appliances. We have a large pantry, and then off of the kitchen is our laundry room and our garage door. So here is our laundry room. Turning around so you can see the kitchen again. To our right is the pantry. Going back through the kitchen, we'll go to the master suite. So this is on the opposite side of the home as the other bedrooms. So here is our master bedroom. So looking into the backyard, we have nice big windows here. And then here is our ensuite. We have double sink vanity, walk-in closet, private water closet, and linen closet. So here is that walk-in closet. In front of us is our linen closet. Then we have our tub shower combo. And then here is our water closet. Turning around again. Heading back out into the master bedroom. We'll walk across to the other bedrooms now. So we're going through our formal dining area, passing the one guest bedroom off of the living room. We'll come to a short hallway. Directly in front of us is the guest bathroom. So this is a very good sized bathroom, perfect for kids and visitors. Then to our right, we have bedroom number 3. This is on the back side of the home. Again, carpeting throughout the bedrooms. Continuing on, we're passing another linen closet, and then here is our 4th and final bedroom. So this is on the front side of the home. So looks into the front yard and the covered porch. Heading back out now, we'll go outside. Going back through the living room. Off of the back door, we have a enclosed sunroom, and then we have a large yard. So we've got tile down in the sunroom here, and then lots of green grass area. And it does wrap around both sides of the home. Heading back inside now. Again, this is 4902 Chad's Circle, offered by Barron's Property Managers, 850-934-2588. You can also view it at barronspm.com.